is the ease of connectivity. Within the power configuration, the power modules, the battery, and the maintenance bypass panel, the cording is all easy to plug and play, as you may see here. If you look at my cursor, as far as the system, it could be fully hardwired at the input and at the output, or corded at the input and at the output. Why is that important? Because for commissioning purposes, and also for serviceability of the product, target market and customers are data centers. It could be a small data center like a server room, a small, medium, or large data center. Customers, in essence, everything from enterprises, commercial, government, or financial institutions. And our target persona are the IT managers, consultants, and contractors. The value proposition is very much the same as the 208. Easy to deploy and commission with the connectivity. The interconnectivity between the modules, unique to Eaton, unique in the industry. Why did we do that? Why did we add this? Because we know that the technical service personnel or in-house personnel appreciates something that is easy to commission, easy to service. Therefore, we added all of these hardened connectors.